Sandbaggy medium-sized burlap bags are constructed from industrial-grade burlap fiber that has a capacity of up to 50 pounds. Grown from jute plants and woven on industrial-grade looms, Sandbaggy burlap is a natural, eco-friendly product with no synthetic materials such as plastic. Our burlap fabric absorbs moisture, oil, and grease while being extremely breathable. They're great for storing food items such as nuts, livestock feed, and potatoes, as well as parts and ornaments. For gardening applications, they're great for transplanting and growing plants. We recommend customers to keep burlap as dry as possible for a longer life. The beautiful, natural, brown color fabric is also great for rustic theme events and home decor. They are also great for sack racing for small kids. Trust Sandbaggy for all your burlap needs. We stock many sizes of burlap bags from 12 by 19 to 24 by 40, as well as burlap rolls. Sandbaggy is an American company based in California that's trusted by government agencies, contractors, and homeowners.